Today I'm making a breakfast sandwich in my Dash egg bite maker. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker, and I also have a package of frozen English muffins. These have been in my freezer. So what I am going to do now is take out a frozen English muffin. So I can't split it open because it's frozen. The blue light is on. This egg bite maker is heating up right now. I'm actually just going to put it in right like that, shut it, and let it heat up for a few minutes, which should make it soft enough that I could then split it open. It's been 2 minutes. Let's see, I think I could cut it in half. The center of it might still be frozen. It's pretty good so far. So there we go, there's the English muffin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it like back to back so the two inside halves are facing out. I'm going to shut this and let that cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, so let's open this up. And we have a little browning going on here. They're not actually toasted, but they're just nice and warm. Still kind of soft though. Now I'm going to make an egg. We'll shut this. It's tomato season, so I just added a slice of tomato to my English muffin. And here's the egg after about 2.5, 3 minutes, so I think that looks good. It's sticking a little bit. I should have put like some butter on here. I want the yolk so it's not like super runny. I'm gonna add a piece of cheese. That's just some Munster cheese that I have in the house. Let's just shut that a little bit to try to conserve the heat from the egg. The cheese has softened a little bit, and now I have some broccoli sprouts that I'd like to use. So let's put some broccoli sprouts on there. The nice thing when you make your own breakfast sandwiches, you could put whatever you have on the sandwich. So I have an English muffin that was in my freezer. I bought them when they were on sale. I have a slice of fresh tomato, I have a pasture-raised egg, I have part of a slice of organic Munster cheese, and then I have some broccoli sprouts on top. So this is a really nice, healthy breakfast sandwich, and it didn't cost me much at all to make this. I mean, this is definitely less than $2, but if I was going to grab this at fast food or a convenience store, it's easily going to cost me double that, if not triple that. And it's not going to be nearly as healthy. And the yolk is now runny, which I'm not too crazy about right now because it's going to be really messy. But let's give this a try. That's really good. It's a bit slippery to handle. I think the tomato's sliding around a little bit. It would be better if the English muffin was more toasted. Like if I had more time to really let it toast more in the egg bite maker. I think that would be good. And I really wish I would have cooked the egg a little bit longer so the yolk was not so runny. But I'm really happy with this. It tastes great. It's a nice, quick, healthy breakfast. And so that's how easy it is to make a breakfast sandwich in a Dash egg bite maker. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in these mini appliances. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.